Good morning, students. Today we'll start the chapter second C. The name of the topic is the great artists of India. In this chapter, we will study about the great artists of India, and in the abstract design given below, that the name of the few renowned Indian painters. So you can find out the name of these painters and make a circle here. Firstly, we will study about the painter's name. Here some clues are given about them and we will write their name. Okay, this picture. Now the man, he was born on 17 September 1915 at the Pandharpur. In his career, he is painted the billboards for the feature films. He was honored with the Padma Bhushan in 1989. When he got the Padma Bhushan 1989, he also produced the directed films. He won a Golden Bear Award at the Berlin Film Festival for his movie Through the Eyes of a Painter. He also directed the Gazana, Gaza, Gazgamani. Okay, the name of the painter is Maqbool Fida Hussain. The name of painter is the Maqbool Fida Hussain. Okay. Now, second one, he was the founder of the Bengal School of Indian Painting and greatly inspired by the rich heritage of the India and the folklore and the mythology, which were the discipline in his paintings. The name of the Avinath Tagore. Okay. Third one, he was born in the picture of that painter, and he was born in 1925 at the Salem, and the specialization in painting and stone carving. He was learned the muralism from the Mexico, and he had his the first independent exhibition in 1953. He was honored with the Order of the Crown, was the King of the Belgium, was his the first award, and the Belgium Assembly in New Delhi. Okay, the name of this painter is the Satish Gujral. The name of this painter is the Satish Gujral. Fourth one painter is lady. She was born in the Budapest in 1913. Her father was an Indian and mother was Hungary. Her paintings were the initially that the combination of West style and Indian spirit leather was here that developed her individual style led to the foundation of Indian modern art. The name of this artist is Amrita Sergil. Okay. Fifth one, he was the great artist and the travelist for East to China and Japan along with the Rabindranath Tagore. He is called the father of modern painting in India. He was also the received the Padma Bhushan award. The name of the painter is the Nandlal Bose. Nandlal Bose. Okay. Sixth one, he was the first Indian painter to acquire the expertise and the oil portraiture and technique in belong to the Kerala. He belongs to the Kerala and was the first person to depict the Hindu gods and goddess on canvas. First time, the first painter who make a Hindu gods and goddess picture on canvas. The name of painter is the Raj, Raja Ravi Verma. Raja Ravi Verma. Now the facts, the Sikh crows. Now we will start the next topic. Facts live the Sikh crows. All of you knowing how many crows are there? 10 crows of Sikhs. Okay. Sikhism was founded by the Guru Nanak. Who is the founder of the Sikhism religion? Sikh is religion. Here, who is the founder? Guru Nanak Dev is the founder of Sikhism. That's why this is the picture of Guru Nanak. All are family them, and he is the Guru Nanak Dev, and he was the founder of Sikhism, and he lived from the 1969 to the 1539. This is the picture of the second Guru and the Guru Angad Dev, he was the second Sikh Guru and lived in the 1504 to the 1552. He is the Guru Amar Das. He was the third Sikh Guru who was born on 1479 and died on the 1574. This is the picture of the fourth Guru. He is the Guru Ramdas and was the fourth Sikh Guru. He was born on 1534 and died on 1581. Okay. Now he was the Guru Arjan Dev. He was the fifth Sikh Guru and he was born in 1536 and died on 1660. Okay. He is the Guru Har Gobind and he was the sixth Sikh Guru and he was born in 1595 and died 1644. Okay. Now he is the Guru Har Bahadur Singh and he was the seventh Sikh Guru and lived on the 1630 and 1661. This is the picture of the Guru Har Kishan. He was the eighth Guru and he lived for the 1656 to the 1664. He is the Guru Tegh Bahadur and he was the ninth Sikh Guru. He lived on the 1621-1675. Now he is the Guru Gobind Singh and he was born in 1660 and died on the 1708. They created the community of people called the Khalsa and he was the 10th and last Guru of Sikh and he declared that after him the Guru Granth Sahib should be regarded as a Guru. So Guru Gobind Singh was the last Guru, 10th Guru and last group of Sikhism. Okay. Student, let's stop today's topic here. All of you read the chapter carefully. I will send the home assignment with this video. All of you fill in your book and note down in your copy and learn it. Okay. Thank you. God bless you.